Hey there! Welcome to the Basic Engineering Golden Gate Bridge 101, everything you need to know. Today, we're heading to sunny California to talk about one of the most famous bridges in the world, the Golden Gate Bridge, which also happens to be the 19th longest suspension bridge on Earth. Let's dive right in. The Golden Gate Bridge officially opened in 1937, and back then, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world. It quickly became a symbol of American ingenuity. Its iconic international orange color wasn't chosen just for looks. It also helped with visibility in San Francisco's legendary fog. Talk about practical and stylish. But what made building it such a challenge? Let's break it down. Location and conditions. The bridge crosses the Golden Gate Strait in San Francisco, where strong ocean currents and tides made working at the water's edge extremely dangerous. Foundations. Both main towers had to reach bedrock deep below the water. Construction teams used watertight structures, like caissons and cofferdams, to pump out water and pour concrete safely. Now, let's talk some big picture numbers. The bridge stretches about 1.7 miles, around 2.7 kilometers. That's like 30 Olympic-sized swimming pools lined up end to end. At the same time, its length is roughly equal to 1,452 Elon Musk's, if you stacked them head to toe. Each main tower is 746 feet tall, about 227 meters, roughly 1.6 times the height of the Statue of Liberty. The steel cables are 36 inches, about 1 meter thick, and made up of 27,572 wires, which could circle the Earth over 3 times if laid out end to end. Pretty impressive, right? And all of this withstands the strait's powerful currents and swirling fog. Dealing with fog and winds. San Francisco's dense fog often limited visibility, making measurements tricky. Strong Pacific winds also threatened cranes and platforms, forcing engineers to plan every step with care. Safety for workers. Chief Engineer Joseph Strauss famously invested $130,000, a huge sum in the 1930s, in a safety net hung beneath the bridge's deck. This net was 10 feet wider than the bridge on each side and 15 feet longer at each end, drastically reducing the risk of fatal falls. While 11 workers unfortunately lost their lives overall, this net and other protocols were considered groundbreaking for that era. The Golden Gate Bridge needs constant upkeep. Crews apply primer and international orange top coat in what can feel like a never-ending paint job. Once they finish at one end, they have to start over at the other. Such is the price of looking this good. To sum up, built in 1937, the Golden Gate Bridge overcame harsh natural conditions through smart planning, new technology, and consistent safety measures, becoming one of the world's most iconic bridges. It's not just an engineering triumph, it's a cultural symbol, featured in countless movies and TV shows, instantly recognizable worldwide. From its record-breaking build to its battle against fierce tides and fog, it's truly a marvel of engineering and design. And that's a wrap on the Golden Gate Bridge. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the world of engineering and architecture. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.